aboard for fun, everyone! Welcome to our playground! It's gonna be a beautiful day! Look at the balloons! Red, blue, yellow, and green! What color is the balloon? Red, blue, yellow, green! Good morning! Sunshine Park is waking up! T.T. Jonas rolls so bright, blue and yellow in the morning light. Oh no! The parade flags are all mixed up. Red and blue and yellow too. T.T. Jonas found the red flag. Red, red, bright and true. T.T. Jonas found it for you. What color is the flag? R-E-D.
Wow guys, what if I told you the video you just watched was created using one single prompt? Yes, one single prompt. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Cocomelon-style kids educational videos. If you don't know what Cocomelon is, let me show you what Cocomelon is. If you go to YouTube and you search Cocomelon, you see this channel creates kids nursery rhymes. You see they have over 202 million subscribers and over 2k videos. This channel is putting millions of views every single day. Let's take a look at some of their videos. You see 3 weeks ago 4.7 million views, 13 days ago 3.6 million views, 4 weeks ago 12 million views. Guys, this channel is putting millions of views with this type of content every single day. So if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and if you're new to the channel, this is your first time seeing my face, please consider clicking the subscribe button if you like what we do here. And without further ado, let's get started. So to create such type of videos, I've developed 2 master prompts, and you'll find a link to these master prompts in the video description. If you're interested to create such type of videos, you'll find a link to this master prompt in the video description. So what you have to do is just copy the first master prompt and you head on to ChatGPT and you paste the prompt. Okay, once you paste the prompt, you just click on enter. So once you click on enter, ChatGPT is going to give you the entire framework for creating such type of videos. Okay, as you can see, we have T.T. Jones and the Rainbow Playground Parade. Sing, count, and clean up together. Target age range, we have ages 2 to 5 years because we said we were creating kids educational videos. Okay, so to create such type of content, ChatGPT is going to give you an entire framework for creating such type of content. Since we said we are creating kids educational videos, we have measurable learning outcomes. As you can see, we have count from 1 to 5, name at least 4 colors, repeat the cleanup phrase, identify 2 playground actions, respond aloud to simple call and respond prompts. Okay, so you just have to go through the document and see what the document contains. Okay, as we can see, we have our scenes, all our scenes right here. We have our characters. Every single thing is in this document. Okay, so you just have to go through and go through and go through the lyrics, the verses. Every single thing is going to be inside this document. So this is the entire framework for creating such type of content. So what we want to do now is just head on to the second prompt and copy the second prompt. As I said, I'll leave the link to these prompts in the video description. Okay, so once you copy the second prompt, you just head back to ChatGPT. Okay, once you head to ChatGPT, you just paste it and you click on enter. So as I said, we're going to use a single prompt to create our image and our videos. The reason why I said we're going to use a single prompt is because the image and the video is included in the prompt. Okay, so we don't have a prompt for image aside and then we don't have a prompt for video aside. So every single thing is in one prompt. Okay, so as we can see, ChatGPT has given us all the scenes of our prompt. Okay, and what we want to do now is just scroll and see what the prompt contains, and if everything is okay by us. So now we want to generate our video. So what we'll do next is just head on to your browser and type Flow AI. You will see the first link, you will see Google Labs. Okay, so just click on the first link that will be shown to you and it will take you to the Google Labs interface. Okay, so if you don't yet have an account, you just have to sign up, but if you have an account, you just have to sign in. So you just have to click on new project. Once we click on new project, head back to ChatGPT on the second document where you see T.T. Jones and the Rainbow Playground Parade, and we have locked character Bible. So we say we should use exactly in every scene. So in every single scene, we are going to use this character Bible. Okay, so just go through it, and it is okay. We are going to generate our scene one. So we are going to copy every single thing from the character Bible to the global style right up to scene one. So every single thing that concerns scene one, we are going to copy every single thing right up to we have the rhymes, lyrics, we have the chorus. So we're going to copy everything right up to educational goal. Okay. So once we copy, we just head back to flow, and before we paste it, you see where it says Nano Banana 2. We just have to click on it, and you see image is selected right now, but we want to generate video. So you select video, and our aspect ratio we are choosing 16 by 9, and the number of video we want to produce at a time. Okay, so just select one so that you won't exhaust all your credits in the first two generation. Okay, so once everything is set, you just have to paste your script right there. Okay, so once everything is good, you just click on enter, and your scene one will start generating. Okay, so once that scene one is done generating, let's take a look at what it has given us.
All aboard for fun, everyone! Welcome to our playground! It's gonna be a beautiful day!
So as you can see, it has generated us our image plus video. So it has converted our image to video already. So as I said, one single form. Okay. So to generate our next scene, we're going to still copy our character Bible. As we said, we should use it in every single scene. So we're going to copy our character Bible and the global visual style. Okay. So once you copy this, you just head back to flow and paste it. And after pasting it, we have to come back and copy our scene too. Okay. So once you paste it, you just head back to ChatGPT and you scroll to scene 2. So we are in scene 2, we have the color parade begin. So we just have to copy the entire scene 2 right up to just copy right up to educational goal. Okay, so once you copy it, you just head back to flow and you paste it. Once you paste it, you just click on enter and your video will start generating. So while the video is generating, please, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Okay, our video is done generating. Let's see how it
Look at
looks
the
like.
balloons! Red, blue, yellow, and green! What color is the balloon? Red, blue, yellow, green!
So our scene 2 is done generating. Now we just have to download it onto your device. Okay, so once you're satisfied with the video, you just download it onto your device. Now let's head back to ChatGPT and copy and generate our scene 3. Okay, so this is what you're going to do to generate the entire scene. So now we're going to copy our character Bible and the global style, of course. Then now we head on to scene 3 and copy our entire scene 3 right up to educational goal. Okay, so once you copy it, you just head back to flow and you paste it right over there. So once you paste it, you just have to click on enter. So while our video is generating, as I was saying, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It takes no time, okay, and it's totally free. Please consider subscribing. And if you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a like. Okay, so our scene 3 is done generating. Let's have a look.
Let's count TT Jonah's wheels together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So our scene 3 is done generating, and this is what you're going to do until you generate the entire video. Okay, so as I said, if your quiz is finished in another Gmail account, you can just sign up or sign in with another Gmail account with another account, okay, so that you have enough credit to generate all your videos. You can even generate up to 10-minute videos as far as you use different Gmail accounts with different accounts, okay. So once you've created all your videos, now we have to go to the next stage, which is editing. So I'm going to use CapCut to edit my videos. So what I'll just do is import all the video clips I have created. So now we're just going to edit, cut some parts and add transitions. Okay. Okay, so just play along with the edit and do some edit. Any clip you have to delete or any parts you have to cut, just cut it, and you make sure everything is synced together and you know feels good. So once you're done with the edit, you've put everything together, you've added transition, you've added effects, and everything looks good. Let's see the end result.
All aboard for fun, everyone! Welcome to our playground! It's gonna be a beautiful day! Look at the balloons! Red, blue, yellow, and green! What color is the balloon? Red, blue, yellow, green! Good morning! Sunshine Park is waking up! T.T. Jonas rolls so bright, blue and yellow in the morning light. Oh no! The parade flags are all mixed up. Red and blue and yellow too. T.T. Jonas found the red flag. Red, red, bright and true. T.T. Jonas found it for you. What color is the flag? R-E-D.
So guys, that is it for this video. If you found value in any way, consider giving this video a like, and you can also share it with a friend that you think is in need, okay? And if you are new to the channel, you haven't subscribed yet and you like what we do here, consider smashing that subscribe button, because we update content here every single day. Okay, so until then guys, have a blessed day. See you in the next one.